We created hygiene kits for the food pantry so that kids who were coming in to get to food could also grab a hygiene kit. The second part was they were invited to come to us, and we did a lesson on germs and hand washing. The juniors were given this task. It was introduced to them as a problem to solve, and they were broken into groups and did a great job of checking in, communicating with us on what they were doing.
You can put this stuff on your hands and it shows all the germs on your hands, and it's really a visual teaching tool to show how many germs you're carrying around on an everyday basis. And that was awesome. There were smiles on everyone's faces. It seemed like a really good thing. And then health-related careers kids seemed to really take the job seriously. I mean, they were really professional with our kids. Anytime our kids can interact with a little regular ed population, it's really good for them.
We plan to continue the collaboration this year because their students would be good ways for our students to participate in our lab instruction. So for example, when we do nail care, we will invite their class to come down and be our residents for nail care, which will allow our students to practice their bedside manner, their professionalism, their communication skills.